Now, I'm going to prep my chicken for grilling tomorrow. I'm going to make an adobo chicken. And I just made the powder in the last video. Go ahead and check that out. Let's make the chicken. Season the chicken. We're going to make it tomorrow. Paper towels. Helpful. We're just going to pat the chicken dry a little bit before we throw it in the bag. This is going to allow the oil to stick to the chicken and then the seasoning to stick to the oil, because oil and water repel each other. Into the bag. Deciding if I want to use 2 bags, and I can do both too. Olive oil. Like a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons, enough to coat the chicken. I don't have a lime, so I'm going to use a lemon. And since we are squeezing the lemon, we want to pop all of the capsules by rolling it. Now it's very squishy, and you get a lot more out of this after it's been rolled. Mix it up just to coat that chicken in your olive oil and lemon juice. I'm just going to throw a decent amount in there. Probably like 1 to 2 tablespoons into each bag. We coat the chicken. All right, everything is coated and ready. I'll see you tomorrow. So whoever used this before me did not clean it off very well. So I'm going to heat this as hot as possible to try to burn off any of the extra pieces that are lingering, and we'll use this handy dandy little tool to clean it up a bit. Oh, she's very friendly. Okay. Yeah. Sasha, wait. Yeah. Oh, you wrapped up. I turned the heat down pretty low on there, and I think we got it good enough and burned off, so I think it'll be fine. But we've got about 20 minutes, and then I'll check it again. Check it, flip it, do what needs to be done. And then in the meantime, because it's warm, I know, it's LA, I'm lucky, it's warm, I'm gonna go try to get some sun. Goodness, look at those. They are looking fantastic. Oh, I'm so excited to eat these. And always clean your grill for the next person. All right, I've got cilantro rice and fajitas cooking up behind me. I'm gonna make a little bit of like a kind of a Chipotle style bowl. But I've got cilantro rice, fajitas, my chicken adobo. I've got some sweet corn. I don't have any salt. I don't have any tomatoes. Okay, Google, stop. Both of my salsas are bad, so none of those. I'll have to do. My question is, how did this chicken turn out? I'm hoping that it's cooked all the way through. Despite everything in my head saying it's fine, there was a little bit more blood than I was comfortable with when I opened the thicker end of the thigh. So that's back on the stove for just a couple of minutes to sear that out. And I'm gonna construct my little bowl here. So starting with some rice on the bottom, get some fajitas on there that I just made fresh. Add a little bit of corn, some grated cheese. I hate using this grater, it doesn't work properly because it doesn't stand on its own. Throwing some chicken right on top. A bit of sour cream. And because I currently do not have any salsa or anything to make salsa with, topping it with tapatio. Try and get a little everything. Oh, it's good. Maybe use a little salt, but it was fantastic. Oh, that chicken just hit with the adobo sauce. Why do we keep saying sauce? The adobo seasoning hits really good. Very good. Get out of here.